It's a good day today, Chris. You want to know why?
Of course.
You know when you keep wishing there was a particular product out there for a simple job and that product just appears?
Oh man, I can't wait. I love when this happens. What you got?
I've been looking for an interior and exterior glass cleaner that's easier to use from all angles, stays where I spray it, and is tough on bug residue. Well, Rain-X now has an Aerosol automotive glass cleaner, and boom, check it out.
This is awesome. We should just end the video right now. I mean, the kings of keeping your glass clean just brought in a feature winner.
This video is just starting, Chris, and I can't wait to tell you all about it.
Talk to me, Dylan. I'm all ears.
Like you said before the montage, Rain-X has always had a great top-selling automotive glass cleaner. With this, now they have an aerosol version.
Yes, and the nice thing about aerosol is it's easy to use. Rain-X automotive glass cleaner clings onto contaminants without dripping, making it ideal for vertical surfaces.
The ammonia-free formula is more potent than other competitor products, so Rain-X really outperforms when it comes to getting rid of nasty bug residue, which we all hate. And it's safe for all glass surfaces, including interior, exterior, tinted windows, and your mirrors. It can even be used on glass mirrors in your home.
And with the aerosol, you're able to cover areas that you want and not cover areas that you don't want. That's not always easy with a conventional spray bottle. Wipe with a clean microfiber and it leaves a perfect streak-free finish without any residue.
Fingerprints, dust, dirt, road grime, light grease, protect and overspray, interior smoke film, Rain-X automotive glass cleaner has the power to take care of it all. This stuff is legit. I am pumped.
Here's a couple of tips. You want to shake the can up real good since it is an aerosol, and then keep the can about 6 inches away so you get a nice even spread. And don't forget to use a clean microfiber when you start cleaning your windshield.
Yeah, and do not use newspaper, which some people used to do apparently, and you know who you are if you still do. Newspaper can cause scratches or ink transfer. Microfiber is definitely the way to go.
A lot of people forget about this, or for some reason they just don't want to do it at all. And that's clean the inside and outside of your car glass, especially the windshield. I know, sometimes it seems really hard, especially to get down in that crevice, but for that 100% look, you want to make sure you clean the inside. And this stuff will make that task a whole lot easier because it'll hold to that upside down surface.
One last thing, Chris. It smells nice too with a clean scent. It's funny how a simple thing like glass cleaner can be a big deal, but it is. And Rain-X really got it right with this one. Even the can is the right size. It fits nicely in your hand.
That's right, and having clean glass is a must for that total car cleaning. It's also a great safety measure too, especially when you're driving at night. Always keep that windshield clear.
Absolutely. Look good and be safe. If you have any tips on using this product or any comments at all, leave them below and don't forget to like and subscribe for more car detailing 101 videos.
I got a tip for you. So, don't forget to do those mirrors.
Yeah.